Internet is a great invention of modern science. It is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. Internet is a handy platform to upload, download and share data. We can search anything anytime on internet. Internet can be used for educational purposes like research, online courses, language learning, etc. Due to internet, earning from home also possible. It can be easily accessed on smartphones, laptops, tablets and computers. Tickets of trains, booking hotels or even filling a form online has become very easy. In short, internet has completely changed our lifestyle today. It is a blessing of science if we use it for right purposes.